Do you ever feel trapped in the endless cycle of working for a salary, wondering if true financial freedom is just a distant dream? Many of us believe a steady job is the only path to security, but what if it's also holding us back from building real wealth? Today, we're exploring why relying solely on a job salary might not be enough to make you truly rich. The salary trap is a common reality. While a job provides stability, it often limits your income to a fixed amount. Your earnings are tied directly to your time, making it difficult to scale your wealth beyond your working hours. Meanwhile, the cost of living continues to rise, from housing to everyday expenses, constantly eroding your purchasing power. Inflation further diminishes the value of your hard-earned money over time, making it harder to save and invest effectively. Salaries often keep pace with expenses, but rarely create the significant surplus needed for true wealth building. So, how do we break free from this cycle and pave our own path to financial prosperity? The key lies in diversifying your income streams. Don't put all your financial eggs in one basket. Explore investment opportunities like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Let your money work for you. Consider real estate, whether it's rental properties or REITs, to build equity and generate passive income. Starting a side business or investing in entrepreneurial ventures can also open new avenues for growth. Continuous financial education is crucial. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. It's about shifting your mindset from earning a living to building lasting wealth. Now, let's talk about actionable strategies to accelerate your financial growth. First, master budgeting and saving. Understand where your money goes and consciously allocate funds for savings and investments. Next, prioritize debt reduction. High-interest debt can be a major roadblock to wealth accumulation. Explore side hustles or entrepreneurial ventures. Turn a passion into profit or offer a valuable service. Automate your savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers so you consistently contribute to your financial goals. Remember, consistency is key. Small, regular steps can lead to significant wealth over time. Your journey to financial independence starts now. It's about making conscious choices and taking proactive steps. Don't let the traditional salary model limit your potential. Embrace diversification and smart financial planning. Take control of your financial future and build the wealth you truly deserve. Start exploring new income streams and investment opportunities today. Your journey to wealth starts now. What will be your first step?